Too many drives, too many cables. 2 drives, 2 enclosures. Stop wasting time. Slow, messy, inefficient. No dual transfer, no flexibility. Overheat, overload, overeat. Enough! There is a better way. This is X1. Dual bay, zero compromise. 1 box replaces 2. Clean, simple, powerful. Independent power, total control. 2 drives, 1 workflow. Transfer, sync, faster. Thunderbolt speed, no limits. Active cooling, full performance. Cooler, longer, better. Shoot, store, never stop. More space, more freedom. Dual drives, 1 dock. Workflow simplified. Create more, wait less. Powerful creators, backends on Kickstarter. Plug and play. Create faster, better, smarter.